see it now? Watercolor takes a bit of time. So what are you drawing today, Kyle?
I'm drawing a rocket ship.
A rocket ship? What are you drawing today, Princess?
I'm drawing a rocket.
A rocket ship, of course. Now, Bear, what are you doing? Because you are drawing before you do your watercolor. What are you doing in particular?
I'm going to make a big top.
Oh, circus tent.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Looking good. Wow, look at that. Looking good, Bam Bam. Looking good, Princess. Princess had to start another one because she spilled the water all over the table. Looking good, Bear. Bear's big top.
Ta-da! No, how is it looking?
It's looking good.
Oh,
It looks good. What are those? What are you drawing now?
these are clouds.
Okay.